Blake has been at home killing it while I've been gone in town screwing off all day. He got these all wired up. I'm obsessed. What do you guys think? For old Green Bean, the breather lights, what? Ooh. He got new nutserts in there, and he painted the bottom of our fenders. Look at that color. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Let's go see what he's doing now. Oh my God, aren't y'all obsessed with these? These are so nice. So he's gonna do like a little watermelon theme across this whole truck. He's putting more nutserts in. What?